Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and welcome back to our SQL series. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. What we do here is we do micro videos, one video upon another. So this is, I believe, the fourth video in this series, and what we are looking at and using is a book and a website. Here we go. And it's SQL for data scientists. So the author has been nice enough to allow us to use their database and reference their book. And I completely and highly encourage you to visit the website and even get the book. I have been using it immensely in my journey as a data analyst in my new position. So the link for the website and the book is down in the description. So, all right. So back to today's topics. So we're going to be looking at two new keywords where we're going to be looking at where, then the keyword or. So let's just go ahead and get into it. So we're going to select all, and like I said, last video I said, ooh, here we go. I can zoom in on this, make this a little clearer. So what we're going to be looking at is we're going to select all records from Booth. So this is the table from the database. Yeah, you guys can see that. Farmers Market. So I'm going to run this. And I'm going to get the entire contents because I had no limit. So two videos ago, last SQL video series, we talked about select, from, and limit. So we're not going to limit any of these because we knew it only had 12. Now we're going to add the where. So what this is, the where keyword is a condition, where a condition is met. So I want us to pull up, we're going to utilize the Booth price level column. So, and we're going to pull up, so where Booth underscore price, there we go. And then, so we can look right here. So Booth price level is a character. So a string for us coming from Python, a string object. And so here we go. So select all records from Booth where this column is equal to A. All right, let's do this. Let's run this. So now I'm going to get all of the records, all of the fields, all of the columns, and we have no limits. So I'm going to get all the rows where this condition is met. And as you can see right here, we have Booth number 1, 2, and 7 that meet A, and A. And then the Booth descriptions are right here. So now let's look at the or keyword. So if I were to want to pull, if it was A, let's comment this out. Actually, we'll look at that later. So let's get rid of this, rerun this. So I get A, B, C, A, C, C, B, B, B. So now if I wanted all of the Booth levels of either A or B, I would do, so what conditions? If it were A level or B level, price level, oops, capital, because this is the capital. All right, and there's ways to handle that. We're not going to handle that right now. We're learning about where and the or keywords, those two keywords today. So now let's run this. So now I have, and in this section, it shows me that I have 7 records right here because this was my last request. And I have 1, 2, 3 of A and 1, 2, 3, 4 of B. And actually, this might be a perfect scenario for us to really kind of dig into and see how in the world to begin to count. Because I cheated and I didn't use the tools that are set before us to do that. But real quick video today, where or keywords in SQL. So there we go, guys. Hope you really are enjoying this SQL content. Please don't hesitate to drop any comments, questions, video requests. Make sure you're jumping down in the Discord. We do have a channel just for SQL, and make sure you are checking out the SQL for Data Scientists website, and I highly encourage you to get the book. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.